Go, go. Oh, it's just me. There's one guy down there. Is that our team? No, it's not our team.
You're good. He's hit. He's hit.
Oh.
Go ahead. You're good.
You can leave.
All right, push.
Go. Go. They're shooting at us. Be careful.
Got one.
I got like 3 people. Hey, they're down here.
He's not there. He's right around the corner. You see that little building right there? He's right in there.
I would say cover him.
Anybody got a pistol?
I got one.
You got one?
I don't know if you call it hit. Hold on.
Yep, I have. This works.
Alright, go run in and just shoot him. Just run in and just shoot. Or get to this little corner right here and then come.
Can you watch my gun?
Yeah, I got it. We got you covered.
He's in the far back. They're in the far back.
Sean. Sean. No. I got him.
Get out.
That's shot.
Thanks. You too. Is there a guy down there still?
And nobody's down there.
There's a camera guy all the way down there.
Alright, go ahead. Move in. Check. Shoot.
Clear, go.
Alright, see one. I see one. Alright, you're good.
Oh. Dude, that was a good game.